Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get genuine Microsoft Office 365 application suite on your laptop, PC or Mac for absolutely free. Microsoft Office includes very powerful desktop productivity applications, so it's equally popular among students, business professionals and home users. But at the same time, it's a very expensive product suite. Fortunately, now by joining the Microsoft 365 Developer Program, you can officially download, install and use Office 365 for free without spending a single penny on its purchase. So let's get started. First of all, get this link from the description of this video and go to Microsoft 365 Developer Program Join page. Next, use your Microsoft account credentials to log into the Microsoft 365 Dev Central portal. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking here. Otherwise, sign in with your Microsoft account. On this dialog box, you can click any button you want, but I'll click on the No button option. On the Microsoft 365 Developer Program sign up page, complete country or region, company and language fields in this form. Finally, review the terms and conditions and select the checkbox and click Next. On the Preferences page, choose one of the preferences and then click Next. Now choose the type of application that you are interested in developing and finally click Save. Next, to set up your Microsoft 365 E5 Sandbox subscription, first choose the Instant Sandbox and then click Next. Secondly, complete the following fields in this form and click Continue. Finally, provide a valid cell phone number and choose Send Code. Enter the code that you receive and then click Set Up. Remember, the initial 90-day subscription is renewable and will be extended automatically if you will regularly use Microsoft Office 365. Also on this page, note your user ID and finally click Go to Subscription. Now sign in with your user ID and password that you specified for your developer subscription. On the security settings dialog, I'll click the Ask Later button because I am satisfied with the default setting for now. On this dialog box, click either yes or no because it doesn't matter. Now just click 2 or 3 times here to get rid of this pop-up. You are on the subscription homepage. Click Install Apps and then Other Install Options. And now click View Apps and Devices. Finally, click Install Office to download the Office Setup Installer file. Next, save it somewhere. I'll save it to Windows Default Download folder. After the download completes, go to Windows Download folder and double-click the setup to start the Microsoft Office 365 installation. When you see this screen, it means your Office 365 applications are successfully installed, so click the Close button. Let's now test by running Microsoft Word application. When you start a Microsoft 365 app for the first time that is not activated, you will be prompted to sign in to Microsoft 365. Be sure to sign in with your user ID and password that you specified for your developer subscription. So in this video, you have learned how to get Microsoft Office for free. Goodbye.